Hello, Merry Christmas from Lion Manufacturing. I'm Nick Gross.
And I'm Addie Jackson.
And today we'll be showing you off some of our own original products.
All of our products will be available at some of the basketball games, the Santa shop, or you could email us at lionmanufacturing@clasd.net. First product that we'll be showing you guys is we have keychains and ornaments. These were both created on the 3D printer and designed by our students, and they'll be sold for $3 each.
Then up next I have this coaster that was cut on our own CNC router table. This design is just the Lion Manufacturing design with a Christmas hat on it. This is designed by our own students. It's $5 unless you want your own logo we can put on there for $5 more. Like I said, we use our CNC router table to cut out the wood, and then we use our own laser engraver to engrave the logo in there.
Next we have our Forever flowers. These flowers were created with the help of FFA and the Art Club. They were cut out on the plasma cutter. Our FFA welded them, and then the Art Club helped to paint them, and they are sold for $5 each, and they last forever.
And up next I have our 2025-2026 Lion Manufacturing shirts. It's created by our own students. We went with the new sand brown color. We went with blue the last couple of years, a little bit of a switch up. It's a nice new back.
Thank you for your continuous support of our program, and remember that all the proceeds from the sales will be going to a new Gaga pit for the elementary school. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.